So let me crack them. Adding some black pepper and some salt. You can add whatever you like for seasoning, but to me I just wanted something simple. You beat the eggs if you like. If not, it's okay as well. And this is okay. Yep. Let me pour in my cloves. I'm using some sun here, and let me set to 1 minute. After 1 minute, it's not yet done. I think we need to add an extra minute or two. So let's just put it on 2 minutes. I hope we'll come out with something great. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I can feel some aroma from there. Yeah, I think it's been cooked. Let's observe. Yes, patiently waiting. That's the end of it. Let's open it. Wow. This is great. This is great. So great. Yeah, hope you learned something. If you're lazy like me, if you don't have much time, yeah, let's make good use of a microwave. It can do a lot of things. Rice, cakes, yeah, popcorn. Be there when I'll show you how to make popcorn, how to make some pancakes, how to cook rice using a microwave. You are invited. Join me as I take this egg.